These are experimental huts, or experimental cells as we've been calling them, where students have built these buildings out of typical building materials. So we've got normal wood studs, insulation, siding, metal roofing as you can see, some windows. Remember, this one overheats really quickly, but then it gets really cold really quickly too. Yeah. But they're all slightly different. And so some have a little more insulation. This one over here has no insulation, and it's the idea being that each one is gonna react a little differently to the environment. We started building them October of 2015, and they went up right before Thanksgiving the same year. The day we put all the frames up was probably the best day of the project, because it went from just a couple boards on concrete on the ground to all 6 of these buildings within 5 or 6 hours. The students were able to monitor this data and then compare the data between the huts to be able to see which one reacted differently to the environmental variables, be it the sun, the wind, the humidity, whatnot. And so they could sort of test the results of these different building techniques. Hopefully next year's class is going to modify them, and then we're going to look at some different results coming out of the modifications they put to these buildings at that time.